viruses? The first one is polio. Again, what does polio cause? Paralysis. Remember what I've said about polio vaccines. You have a polio vaccine, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because you're nutty if you don't get one. This organism doesn't go through the respiratory tract like a lot of, or this isn't a blood-borne organism. This one goes through the digestive tract. So you can actually eat food that's contaminated with this virus. So here's the portal of entry. So therefore, and by the way, it comes from fecally contaminated foods, because what happens is that people that have the virus end up shedding it in their feces, according to this cartoon. Keep in mind, feces isn't blue and isn't arrow-shaped like this. Now, one of the problems, well, some problem, tell me the type of vaccine that you'll get for this. How do you give the patient the vaccine?
Orally.
There are two ways. Orally, right? Makes sense? And what's interesting is it's an attenuated organism. It's the polio virus. It's still...
So it's living.
It's not living, because we know that viruses aren't living.
Well,
But it's the entire organism, it's the whole organism, but it's attenuated and it doesn't cause polio. That's the risk, but you're not gonna get polio from that sugar cube, okay? So then you'll swallow it and that's how you get the vaccination process. There's a second one. There's one that you can spray into the nasal membranes. They say it's not as effective.
so they tried to target the mucous membrane
Yes.
with this vaccine.
Yeah, and I
right?
think that the GI tract is better. I think it's it's a more proven vaccine. Next one, hepatitis A. Do you see that?
Professor, I have a question.
Yeah.
You said it's an attenuated,
Yeah, it's rendered harmless.
but then wouldn't it be able to like,
Mutate back.
yeah?